To access the media player, tap the media icon. You can make the media player bigger by dragging up from the bottom. Another flick will make it full screen. Slacker Radio is available in North America for free, but if you have your own subscription, tap here to sign into your own account. These are your favorites. You can also access top stations by tapping here. You can scroll any list by using your finger. Access genres by tapping here. Tap this icon to change your input method. You can choose between radio, streaming, tune-in, or phone via Bluetooth. You can also use a USB key loaded with MP3 files. You'll see a USB icon in this list. To tune to a radio station, choose radio from the drop-down list and pick one of the presets. Tap the equalizer icon to bring up the EQ. You can adjust this to suit your needs. Tap balance to graphically adjust the side-to-side and front-to-back balance of the speakers in the car. Double tapping the center will reset it. If your Model 3 is equipped with the premium package, you can tap options to change the immersive sound settings. Tap direct tune to enter a desired radio station, or use the voice controls to say, tune to 88.5. You can adjust the volume up or down by using this control, or the left scroll wheel on the steering wheel. Press the left scroll wheel to mute the sound. To search for songs, artists, or podcasts, tap the search icon and type on the keyboard. You can also use the voice command button to search. Say things like, play something by Bryan Adams. To make something a favorite, tap the heart icon. To delete a favorite, tap Favorites, then tap and hold on the favorites until the black X's appear. Tap the black X to delete the favorite. When you're done, tap anywhere to finish. To stream over Bluetooth, you must first add a phone. Tap the Bluetooth icon and then tap Add New Device. Then tap Search. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Tap on your device. Ensure that the displayed PIN number matches your device, then tap Pair.